Bindu Khurana's recording separately. Bindu, if you're okay with it.
Yeah, is everybody alert to do it? Sabneet, you
Kuch
were
sunayi
superb,
nahi.
huh? What do you didn't answer my question?
Kuch
No, I
sunayi
will
nahi.
answer your question separately because
Yeah, Lord.
Yeah.
I
कोई
have
सोया
somebody
नहीं
for
है.
her.
Okay. No,
हम
no, I
नीचे
believe you.
में
I believe you. I
अभी
believe
तो
you.
सिर्फ 11:30 बजे हैं.
Savneet answered. She said, "आप मुझे call करना है इसके बाद." Savneet did answer your question.
Yeah. But you know, when you're in the group, no, when you want fatapat answers, everybody gets a little impatient.
Okay,
Boliye,
so what we
what
can do
question?
now is, what kind of questions can they ask you, Bindu?
So, because numerology is very easy, name calculations, I don't know, whatever is coming, let us do it intuitively only.
Okay, let's do it
But
intuitively. If you have any questions, what will you need?
I
A
need, like,
question?
for example, if it is a house, I would need the house details. If it is anything to hall ne pada, mera calculator la de. Pen de de, pen paper de de mujhe.
house का गाना था, house detail.
And
Hey, Bindu ji,
But you've asked her on a personal thing.
Oh my God, oh my God. आप पूछ सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
hall में पढ़ा लिया.
Okay, I'm just going to mute everyone ताकि कोई
Okay.
embarrass ना हो. And then you can unmute yourself.
Okay.
That's what I love about these groups, because the energy goes by itself. ऐसे लगा कि अगर आपसे नहीं पूछा तो गलत हो जाएगा.
नहीं ऐसा.
Savneet, that was brilliant. गलत means
Yes.
लोगों के लिए गलत हो जाएगा. There's a great opportunity. Now there's a request to both of you, Savneet and Bindu.
Okay.
What I would request is, Binduji is speaking hers. Savneet, if you feel that you need to add anything to it, you're most welcome to. Okay? I just feel that something amazing will come out of it. So guys, questions? Fatafat, daliye. This is what I can do. I can go over to each one of you, ask a question. If you don't have a question, we just pass. You don't unmute yourself, okay? So let's start with Mr. Bajaj. Mr. Pratap Singh Bajaj, you have any question?
The very first time when I asked you about my daughter, I wanted to have a bit of clarity कि कितने महीने लग जाएंगे, मतलब.
प्रताप सिंह जी, आप उनका नाम बता सकते हैं?
हेमा बजाज, मैंने कहा बताया ना आपको. हेमा बजाज,
we have
81 born, that is 39 years old.
Okay. ठीक. Bindu ji?
Yeah, so how many years you said? She's 1993, right?
81 born.
Then I saw the wrong message. Who's 20th of... No, I missed your question, sir.
मैं अपने डॉटर के लिए पूछ रहा था.
हाँ जी, give me her date of, give me the date of birth, please.
20/10/1981.
Okay.
हेमा बजाज.
हाँ जी.
Okay, so right now
she is a doctor.
So right now she's 38.
Yeah.
Okay, so 38 is no, she will be 39.
Yeah.
She's 38 today. So 38 is number 2 and her date of birth is 2. So hopefully before 20th of October she should be hooked and booked.
Thank you so much.
Please let us know then.
Sure, 100%.
That is very important.
And I must thank Anu also, because I have been on her chat for a long time. But I have been enjoying her conversations. I only quietly listen to it. So I am a person, quite introvert person rather.
आज आप बहुत बड़े. थैंक यू जी, बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू सो मच अनु.
सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आई थिंक एक सवाल ऑलरेडी है नम्रता मलिक का. आप पढ़ेंगे कि मैं किसी को बोलूं पढ़ने के लिए?
I'll read it.
So her daughter is Nishita. Date of birth is 21/8/1919. Chalo, Savneet, take it because I've just done the calculation. When will she get married and settle in a career? And will she do job or business?
I'll require 2 minutes.
So I'll answer what is coming to me then. Okay, now today she is 29 years, and on the 21st of August she becomes 30. So her 30th year is from 21/8/2020 right up to 28/2021. Okay, academic 1 year. That's her 30th year, which is called her destiny turning year, and that's the time when she will marry and settle in her work. Now you're asking a business or a job, she will have a bifurcation. So if she's in business, she'll get into a job. If she's in a job, she'll get into her business. I'm seeing more that she should settle into her own profile, her own business, and she will settle in the third profile. So maybe 2 jobs and the third is her business. I think that answers everything, the questions that are asked.
Wonderful, wonderful. Savneet, you want to add anything there?
No. मैंने वो उनका सुना नहीं है. I was going
Okay,
to
wonderful.
my.
Let's go to the next one.
House number 47,
Yes.
Padmini.
Yes.
What, Padmini? You're sitting in Bhubaneswar and asking questions of Mumbai. ठहर जाओ. Huh? Okay.
कुछ पूछना पड़ेगा ना मैम है तो पूछना पड़ेगा.
Okay. 47. What is your AB block? कुछ आता है क्या?
नहीं, it is 47. House number is 47. Bungalow number name is Ashray.
Acha, so I would actually say I've already done something of your this. I know it, so I can't say. But all said and done, 47 is 2. This is 2020. So before 31st December 2020, आपकी booking आपकी building की हो जाएगी, house की हो जाएगी. काम बेशक 2021 में शुरू होएगा. But जो बोलते हैं ना paperwork, negotiations, it will happen this year only. But you will have your proposal of work, what has to be done, when it will start. Completion will take you 2 years. Completion will take you 2 years. But आपका जो paper completion will take you 2 years. But जो start है ना आपका वो हो जाएगा. Ashray is also coming to number 13, which is again totaling to 2024 number. So आपका ये end of the year से पहले आपका जो बोलते हैं ना बातचीत paperwork will be done हो जाएगा.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Great.
Next question.
मुझे 2.5 years आया.
हाँ, तो completion में है उतना समय.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Follow my passion with cooking.
Wonderful. Next question. Aarti, पढ़ दे.
Okay. हाँ, बोल. I think it's this
Tejinder Sethi.
Tejinder Sethi.
Yes.
I think Suchi Tandon.
Yes.
So she is number 1 by birth and her destiny number is 3. Suchi, you should absolutely do what you have to do is from your own mind. You cannot work with anyone. You can only work independently, individually, without dictation. And as such, you should do what your passion is completely. आप अपने बलबूते पे अपना काम कीजिए by your own this. That is the best way for you to do is to do it with happiness. You can't do it with anybody else. Tejinder is 52. What is your future on work and start on hand and all? Can I have your date of birth, Tejinder?
3rd December 1967.
So you are a 3 and a 2. You will have 2 phases in life, huh? You will have 2 phases. So today you're 52, but you'll be 53 and your 5 and 3 is coming then, that's more important. You'll have another phase. You should start something. आपके 2 sources of income simultaneously चलने चाहिए. One should be creative and one should be a breadwinner. So a job along with your passion. You should do 2 things at the same time. Then only you'll be very happy. If you're doing one thing, no, you're somewhere little uncomfortable. आपको 2 चीजें
And
साथ में
Bindu's,
करनी.
yeah, any future on my
Cooking.
Relationship or partner?
I need all the date of birth, your date of birth, उनका date of birth, आपके marriage dates, वो सब चाहिए.
That will be
No,
too
I
much.
am not. Okay, sorry. Thanks, Bindu.
Consult for this. Thank you so much. Really appreciate.
Asha Bhavni is 23, 6599.
Savneet, you want to add anything before Tejinder के लिए?
Tejinder ke liye, what was the question? What's the question related to something partner, na?
Yeah.
So partner, give me her age again.
52.
Tejinder Singh 52. So partner के साथ for another 3 years ऊपर नीचे रहेगा. Another 2 or 3 years.
Okay. Thank you so much. Next person.
So Ashna Bhavnani has 6 and 1. 6 is the birth date. 1 is your destiny number. One number talks about pharmaceuticals, medical line. So dietitian is perfect. And 6 means luxury things. So you won't be a high-end MBBS doctor working in a hospital. You will always do something that is more on the luxury and on the branding. So being a dietitian is just perfect for you. Well, she'll be doing in 1.5 years' time. I think that's perfect for her. You're on the right track. Absolutely right track. And she's 26 at the moment. So
Yeah,
by
मुझे भी लगा कि
28,
years she'll get good
हाँ,
success.
28 is her main year. That is her number 1. At the moment, she's 26. So 2 plus 8 is 1, and 1 is a destiny number, and 1 is a number. 28 is the year. It's 2 years from now.
28. नहीं बिंदु जी 23 ना at the moment.
Yeah, 23. So 20, then 2 years from now, that is 24. 1.5 years from now. Perfect. Because she's a May born. If she's May born, that is half year gone. So 24th year is her destiny turning year. So 24 will be 6th May 2021 to 6th May 2022. Correct?
Yeah.
So that will be exactly her time that will come. Okay?
Okay, so there'll be a change.
Yeah, there'll be a change. No, she'll get her position in life. Means she'll be a qualified dietitian.
Yeah, because as of now, like there is nothing. I mean, don't know where to go.
So tell her to pursue. Tell her to pursue.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
Okay.
Any input you want to give over there?
Please give.
Yeah, by 29, she will be quite 28, 29, she'll be quite stable in her career.
Very good. So
okay,
wonderful.
fine.
Let's go to
Thank
the next person. Amita. Is it Amita next?
I can see Hemal.
Okay, what is it?
Hemal is 29, 1976. So she's a 2 and a 7. How to improve health problems? Darling, you need to say what health problems. But from numerology point of view, I can tell you, you will have any of your issues related to water. Water means cold, cough, congestion, then edema, anything related to water. So stomach getting little like loosies and all, these are your sensitive spaces. So those should be your health issues. Otherwise, you have any
Actually,
other health
since childhood, from the age of 3 till today, I have a bone related. Since childhood, I have arthritis, and in 17, I had a fracture which is yet not healed, and I'm walking with the support of walker.
Oh Lord.
So I'm totally dependent. Every now and then, I have this bone related problems only, and I've undergone already 5 surgeries regarding my legs. Still not able to walk.
I would highly recommend you to do a past life.
Okay.
I don't do past life. But
Fine.
what happens that these are genetic problems. These are not problems that are related. Because arthritis always considers anything to do with your, like she's into meta health, Anu will be able to guide you. But you have this regularly. आपका एक बार होता है तो हम बोल सकते हैं.
मेरा 3 साल ठीक रहेगा, चौथे साल तो कुछ ना कुछ चालू ही रहेगा वो.
नहीं, you do a little past life, you'll get better answers. Don't you think so, Anu?
Okay.
Because it's a genetic hai.
I would not agree with you, but that's okay.
No, because I don't. This is because if you get it once, now you can do if it is regular, na, it's zyada hoga na. Because it's more psychosomatic. It's. I think Anu's a better answer for you here. She'll be able to guide you on health better than any of us.
Right. Okay. And my name and birth date is fine.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't check. Amita, I didn't check. Amita. No, Amita, you need to Ameeta, please. Much better. You need a spelling correction. Amita, you need a spelling correction. Amita needs. I think you are not Amita. You are Hemal, na?
Yeah, I'm Hemal Tolia.
Hemal. Hemal, you need to put an extra A.
Okay.
And T.
And my name, na?
Yeah.
And my name.
Lia. Even in your you need a double L.
Okay, in surname also.
Surname also. And what's your middle name?
Mukund Rai. MU.
Yeah. So you need to write it as HEMAAL
MTOLLIA. Okay, so it's M-double-A-L in Hemal, right?
No, it
Double
is
A.
MEHEMAAL.
Okay.
M for your father,
Right.
TOLLIA. That is
Fine.
42, which is a number of finance.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Amita also needs a spelling
And
correction.
Hema, you are talking about
Yeah.
arthritis. Arthritis is itis if there is anywhere. It is about having inflammation. Inflammation means inflames. It means you're angry about something. If you go
Yeah.
back to the time of 17 years of age when you did have a fracture the first time, there was something that you sorted out majorly where you did not feel very good about yourself and about your life. And there was something,
Right.
there is something that you sorted out for yourself at that time. Bones are all about being one. You are not, you haven't, people have not been in cooperation with you. You're feeling as
Yeah.
if you are being compared to everybody. And constant that comparison is not letting you move ahead. You are the author of your own destiny, and you can
Fine.
change everything that you want to change. You'll have to work on it, whether it is past life or any other modality. What I would suggest is give it a try. There are family patterns working over here, and
Fine.
if you're having everything that is going bad after 3 to 4 years, you have to look back at your father's life and your mother's life and see where in their life after 3 years they turned around everything. You could be repeating a person and having an entanglement with someone. So we really need to look at where is the anger coming from. My guess is that either it is a grandmother of yours who has passed away, who you have got an entanglement with, and you might have to work in removing that entanglement. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Let's go to the next person, please. Thank you.
Okay, so Ishwin Kaur, 9th, I think she's
Amita
September
this
10th.
side. My question is there in between.
Amita, you need a spelling change.
Okay.
You need a spelling change, and you need a spelling change in AMEETA. At the same time, will you be able to change in your surname also?
What change is required, ma'am?
I would like you to do AMEETA or AMMEETA. You need AMEETTA. There are lots of options that come with this. Okay, so you can also do AMITTA, because if you don't want to change too much, आप खाली 2 alphabets change कर दो इधर. AMITTA. Okay, and 17 is coming to, then surname you don't need to do it. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I am about to lose my job by this month end. I have to resign. So I just want to know that how the situation will improve.
So you're entering the 34th year, because right now you're in the 33rd year.
Yes, on September 11th, I will be 34.
You're an absolute 9/11. देख आ गया हमारे सामने. देख जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So you accept the change in your life for whatever it is, something bigger and better. You are number 2, you're 11. There are parallel numbers. So parallel numbers should always put their leg into. You should have 2 sources of income. You should have 2 methods. You should do parallel work. So one could be a passive income, one will be an active income. It's necessary to have 2. Put your feet in both the.
Savneet, anything for
Thank
her?
you,
For Amita?
Yeah, please do.
मुझे उनका नाम बताओ, नाम एंड एज. वो बिंदु जी के नंबर्स में ना वो नाम मेरे गुम जाते, एज गुम जाती है.
Sorry. Amita Tokas, 11th September 1986. I'm reading for you.
No, I wanted the age. I don't want the year.
Her age is right now she's 33.
And what's her question?
To get happiness and success in life.
That's true. She parallel word aa raha hai. She'll have to do for success in life. She'll have to do 2 things.
Okay, somebody's mic is unmuted. Please mute yourself.
And for happiness, she needs to find her inner peace.
Yes, that I agree.
Could you repeat for success?
You will have to find your inner peace, madam.
For happiness and for success, you'll have to venture in 2 things. 2 things. कुछ वो parallel ही hit हो रहा है.
Okay, मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि और सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस लेंगे हम, उसके बाद हम बंद कर देंगे. और आप उसके बाद जहाँ जहाँ जो जो है विल कंसल्ट द स्पेसिफिक पीपल. आपके पास मैंने लोग ला के खड़ा कर दिया है.
I have to take Nidhika, huh?
Please.
I can't say no to Nidhika, but okay.
No, we can't say no to any of these questions. चलो.
अच्छा ठीक है.
फटाफट आगे
So
आगे चलो.
Ishwin's question is, she says September 10th, 1968. I want a successful career in financial success, job or business. What should I do? I think I answered you this. No. So she's a 175. And on that, she should do again multitasking, but she will leave her work, proper work, and get into her own business. Because this is a year of change. So she'll definitely get into another zone. What is she planning? Because this is coming to her destiny. No. So Ishwin, Ishwin, you are entering your 52nd year.
Right.
Okay. 52nd is number 7. 7 is a number of your destiny number. Matlab, if I add 10 plus 9 plus 1968, up 7 pe aate ho. Now, how do we describe 7? We talk of 7 continents. We talk of 7 wonders of earth. 7 sur colors of rainbow. 7 dins, 52 weeks in a year. 7 chakras, 7 feras. We don't know why. It's a number of magic. It's a number whereby you should absolutely do your intuition. You should follow your heart. You should follow your passion. You should follow your internal answers. That is your intuition. So please do something which is creative. 7 number is the only number you can make something out of nothing. Matlab 0 se hero banna is number 7. So out of nothing, you can really start a beautiful business. Go for it, completely start. It will start post September 10th, by the way. It will not start now. We are in the month of August. Okay? Today, if you have to see a 51.
Right.
Yeah? So this will start in your 52nd year, correct?
Correct. And I think I've already told her, follow your passion.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you please tell me anything to do
This is
with
Saria mere piche.
Next, go to the next person. Next person, guys. Next person.
I think Archana, you're really disturbed and touched. I heard what you said, and when you send the photograph in the group, I must share this with you. She had put it on my personal chat, and she had mentioned that her mother-in-law. Archana, are you there? Are you listening?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, okay. So she put a photograph, and she had said that she's passed away. I closed my eyes, and I really felt her connecting to you. You had a karmic connection with her, which was much deeper than a relation. And obviously you have completed it. So it is actually Runanu Bandh, for those who know what is an end of an era or a chapter. So in one lifetime, she has served you, and in this lifetime, you have served her. You have looked after her. So it is Runanu Bandh for you. Huh? It's a closure. You have completed your karma. So let her go in peace and move on into the next life.
I know. Actually, the problem is not her. The problem is me. I am not
able to
that.
detach.
Yeah.
So do cord cutting.
Okay.
I think the best way, because she has to be in a higher peace. Because if you are unhappy, she will be in a disturbed place.
It's just that I'm missing telling her so many things. That's all.
So
Nothing else.
You sit in a meditation and you'll get all your answers. Just release her.
Ji. Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Next one, Preeti. Preeti is
Parmita Shroff. When will get married? Her birthday is 28 1983 1990 1993 8 8 2 1 and 3. So she's 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5.
She said soulmate is around, so I want to know when is the marriage.
Why do you feel that, Preeti? हो जाएगा उसका?
वो तो आप हो तो मुझे पता है हो जाएगा, पर डेट तो माँ
27th.
Yeah. 20th August. Her birthday is round the corner.
Yeah, no, 20th August. I'm putting her in the 27th year already, because I would put her in the 28th year of marriage, and baby in the 29th year. So she'll get engaged. She'll get engaged in 2021 early,
right.
And post August is her marriage. That means Vidhi Puja Shadi, and then in 2022 she should conceive and have a baby.
Thank you.
Your son is coming back.
I know.
Okay. God bless you.
Thank you. Love you.
God bless you. Yes, Nidika.
Wonderful.
Hi.
Hi.
First of all, lots of love to Anu for organizing this. It was so much fun watching this. It's the first time I came on. And Dr. Bindu Khurana, your story was amazing.
Oh, you listened at me? I thought you only
Yeah,
came
yeah,
on
yeah.
when Savneet was there.
No. I've been there. I've been there.
Okay,
ऐसा नहीं है, आपसे भी थोड़ा बहुत प्यार है, ऐसा मत सोचो.
थोड़ा बहुत
बहुत ज्यादा है.
नहीं थोड़ा बहुत ही है, बिकॉज़ सारा प्यार तो तेरा सवनीत के साथ है, मुझे मालूम है.
हमारी 11-11 की जोड़ी है ना, 11 दिसंबर.
11 वाले
हम
बैठे.
कोई कदम नहीं आगे बढ़ते जब तक आप हाँ नहीं बोलते हो.
मैं तुम लोग तो दोनों के लिए एक ही बोलते हो, आप लोग दोनों मिलके एक और एक 11 ही हो.
और आपने ये चीज हर बार प्रूव की है.
Very good.
Absolutely. But Savneet के लिए तो आना ही था. There was no doubt about that. But I just
निधिका का है.
लोग शादियों का पूछ रहे हैं तो मैंने सोचा लाइक
इसको नहीं पता. निधिका का 18 को है. सॉरी
11 दिसंबर
16 को है.
टॉक वो टॉक में समझ में आएगा कि मैं ये सवाल क्यों पूछ रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं सवाल पहले पूछ रही हूँ. ओके, सो मेरी शादी कब होगी दूसरी वाली?
See again, 11 December
1977. So I'm 42. I'll be 43 in December.
Okay, so we are all going to go for her shadi when it is.
Oh yeah, please. Listen. लंगर नहीं लगाऊंगी यार, अच्छे से करूंगी. You know, बहुत शौक अरमान अभी भी पूरे हैं, करने बाकी है. You know, and the funny part is
निधिका लहंगा चाहिए.
yeah, done यार, Anu done. आपको पता है सवनीत और मैं इस पे ESP करे जा रहे हैं बहुत समय से, तो पर फिर मुझे लगा आज मैं आपसे भी पूछ ही लूं तो एक वो होता है ना, स्टैंप लग जाएगी डेट की.
So Nidika, your numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 7. Let me explain to you.
Yeah.
So one number is repeated here because of the 11. In 12, in also there is 1, and in 1970 there's 1. So there is a repetition of 4 times 1. So 1 is a predominant number. Your second important number is 2, which is a destiny number. Your zodiac sign is number 3 because you are Saggy, and you have double sevens. So that 7 also comes. Now apparently you're entering your 43rd year in the month of December, and that's the year when you will travel abroad and you will meet someone. Okay. So your 43rd year stands from 11th December 2020 to 10th December 2021, correct?
Got it. Yeah.
So that's the year you will meet someone. Now what happens when you say marriage? Marriage is something which we take a decision. So you can live in, you can engage, you can marry, you can have an affair, you can be a pen pal. That becomes karma. But you will meet the person in your 43rd year, or the person you already in your life, and he will come in, like it will become more significant, or you will get into a commitment, you know. That's the actual word is we get into commitment. What we choose to do with that relation is up to our karmas.
Got it.
So you're around the corner, don't worry.
चलो सही है.
Scientific more भी मिल गई है.
But I think he'll be not from India, or he'll be someone abroad. Someone
really?
From out of, yeah. I have a very strong feeling that he'll be not born over here. मतलब उसकी जन्म भूमि और कर्म भूमि अलग है. So like जैसे for example you're born in Delhi and you're working in Mumbai, so you're away from your birthplace. Even the same will be with this person. He will be born somewhere and will be working somewhere else.
Correct. I think so too.
Great.
इतना टेम्पटिंग लग रहा है ना यहाँ बैठ के, मैं अपने लिए नहीं पूछ रही, इतना टेम्पटिंग लग रहा है ना. चलो आपका जो दिल करे बता दो.
तेरे को क्या बताता है, बता चलन. एक सवाल पूछ ले.
पढ़ाई करनी है और.
You know what? You're a number 5 and a number 2. I resonate very well because I'm a 5 and a 2. They're constant learners. Absolutely. They'll just be learning and learning. I won't say learning. I'll say unlearn, relearn and learn. And it will be happen all your life.
मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, बाहर जाके पढ़ाई, मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाई करनी है.
You went, you're 1960.
दूर छाया हुआ है कि
67.
14th October 1967. मेरा बड़ा दिल है कि बाहर जाके यूनिवर्सिटी में बैठ के पढ़ाई करी जाए. डर लगता थोड़ा सा. I get little scared, but I would love to do it.
So did you not study this year? This year you didn't do anything? This year
I did. I just did.
Yeah, because your 52nd year was a completely year which was absolutely a year of travel also, and a lot of learnings in this year. Lot of I think you started this thing, which is a brilliant thing again. It's the 52nd year. Today also you're 52.
Yeah.
Now what happens in the 53rd year, which comes in the month of October? Okay. So it's a number 8. 8 is a karmic number. It's a Shani number. It's a number of जैसे करोगे वैसे भरोगे, rewarded for good and punished for wrong. And constantly you will get back. जो लोग तेरे से छूट गए हैं, जो चीजें तेरे से चली गई हैं, you know, people, things that have moved away will come back to you. So,
wow.
You know, everything will return back in the 53rd year. It's a great year also. I think 5 and 8 go very well. So everything will come back to you. So it's a very karmic year. आपने कुछ अच्छा किया होगा वो भी वापस आएगा, कुछ गलती हुई होगी वो भी results आएंगे. And people also who have moved away from you will all come back. So 53rd is a great year.
That's very interesting because I was returned a photograph back 2 days back, which I didn't even know existed, from my childhood. And I said, you returned my childhood back.
Yeah, and we all saw it.
Yes.
Yeah, it returned my childhood back. So
तो
thank
बिंदु
you.
जी, अब मेरा भी मन कर रहा है, मेरा भी मन कर रहा है.
You are the most welcome. तेरा तो अभी birthday गया था.
11th August 1979.
Then you missed out. I had given here for my son's name.
Yeah.
That one. See, I have given my thing of your question. I think so. You missed it here.
I don't know. I don't. Can have you put it in the group?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, put it again, just in case I've overlooked it. Okay, so Sabdeep, you've entered your 41st year. Now, 41st year is a number 5. 5 is a number of a seesaw. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना 5 तत्व या 5 elements or या 5 senses. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 is a middle year. It's a collaboration year. It's a PR year, communication, mass media, connections. Absolutely. So this is a fantastic year to collaborate, connect, and coordinate. Lot of things. You'll actually assemble yourself and start. It's a great multitasking year. It's a great finance year. It's a great travel year also. But like a typical 5 years, 6 months up and 6 months down. So you will say August, September, October, November, December, Jan. So by the time of 11th Jan, you have a closure year. ज़्यादा घूमना फिरना नहीं है, travel नहीं है. But post that you will, it's a seesaw. Seesaw में क्या होता है? You are down and then you're up. So that's exactly what will happen. The next 6 months after 11th of January is roaming, rotating, घूमना फिरना, and a lot of things are changing. So all the
अभी देखो मेरी शादी पे भी आना है ना abroad.
हम सब जाएंगे, हम सब. सर सोच ले निधि का, हम सब बैठे हुए हैं तैयार. तू शादी करे ना करे, हम तैयार बैठे.
नहीं मैं करूंगी. I'm very determined. मेरा गोल है अगले साल बर्थडे से पहले शादी हो जानी चाहिए.
ओए शाबाश, very good.
शाबाश. Let's drop the idea of lehenga. Let's go in bikini. It depends करता कहाँ पे है शादी. पता लगे ये टुंड्रा रीजन में कर रही है, फिनलैंड में, and then we'll have to wear coats and come over there. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. That was so brilliant. It felt like home. It felt like really we sat around the fireplace and we spoke with each other. I have deep regard for each and every speaker of mine and everyone who was here. Because if you're not there, this has no meaning. So बहुत shukriya. What's interesting today, the show did not go on the Facebook. And I often love this part of it. क्योंकि अच्छा भला चलता चलता, it will not go one day. And then I've often questioned why that happens. Well, रब रखा, वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो भी जरूरी है, ये भी जरूरी है. जो भी हो रहा है वो सब बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने शमशान भूमि के बाहर पढ़ा था ये बहुत साल पहले. जो हो रहा है वो भी अच्छा है, जो हो चुका है वो भी अच्छा है, जो होगा वो भी अच्छा है. बस इसी के साथ गुरु नानक और सब गॉड्स को प्रणाम करते हुए कहेंगे कि फिर से मिलेंगे हम इस संडे को. शुक्रिया. संडे को थोड़ा सा जल्दी शुरू करेंगे. We will be starting a little bit early at 9 o'clock because I have a board meeting immediately after that. I have other responsibilities too, so I've requested them to change their time by 2 hours, which they have done. But we have this funny habit of sitting down for a longer time, which I love. So we'll start a bit early so that nobody is awkward. So 9 o'clock instead of 9:30. And thank you so much. And please be there. We have two brilliant speakers, Akashic Records and Nidhika Behl's inspiring story. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bindu ji. Thank you, Savneet ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, Bindu ji, Savneet.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. Love you all.
Thank you, love you.
Thank you.